Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have the doc open, now act. Once the document loads, tap the pencil or edit icon to enter editing mode, then tap the three-dot menu in the top right. You're doing this so the app shows document-level settings rather than only text tools. Make sure you're editing the correct doc. If not, cancel and pick the right file. Next, choose Page Setup from the menu. This is where paper size lives. Proceed when you see the Page Setup entry. It's the gateway to paper options. Once in Page Setup, locate paper size and tap it. This opens a list of standard options such as letter, A4, and legal. You want to pick the size that matches your printing or sharing needs because margins and layout will change accordingly. Scroll the list if you don't immediately see your preferred size and tap to select it. Make sure to inspect the small preview or check a few pages in the document to confirm line breaks and spacing. Still look right before you save the change. After selecting the new paper size, tap Done or Save to apply it. This commits the setting to the document. You should immediately scan a few pages to confirm text flow and images haven't shifted. If they did, adjust margins or reformat specific elements. If the size doesn't stick, close the document and reopen it, or force close the app then reopen. This resolves most sync glitches. If problems persist, make sure the app is updated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.